my name is Emily Esposito. I've been a drummer for around 7 years, and I am currently performing with the band Distance Over Time. We are based in New York City, and we are a post-hardcore or a modern metalcore band. I have been using the Collision size 2V sticks, and they have by far been the best sticks I have ever tried. These sticks have been extremely reliable and durable. I love that they provide me with such a good balance between durability and control while playing. Playing metal requires a lot of speed and power, and when I'm playing heavy parts, my sticks will hold up and I know I can rely on them. But also when I'm playing faster, more technical parts, my sticks allow me to stay controlled. Collision is such an amazing company that's built by drummers for drummers. I love that Collision has such a strong emphasis on quality. Not only are their products just absolutely amazing, but they provide small artists with so many opportunities to grow and connect with other musicians and get involved in a community, and that's something I really value as an artist. And right now, I will be playing a snippet from my band Distance Over Time's unreleased single called In the Span of Everything, We Are Nothing. It will be coming out in our EP dropping in upcoming months, and I hope you enjoy.